บอมโอนคือในเป็นนี้คือខ្ញុំនៅវាលស្រែបាទនៅតាមភ្លឺស្រែបាទហើយឥឡូវនេះគឺខ្ញុំឃើញដើមរាំងបាទដើមនេះហើយគឺគេហៅថាដើមរាំងបងប្អូនបាទគឺរាំងដែលយើងបរិភោគជាអន្លក់បាទឬក៏ជាមួយនឹងនំបញ្ចុកនោះគឺរាំងនេះឯងបាទនេះហើយគឺជាត្រួយរាំងហើយការបរិភោគគឺយើងបេះនៅត្រួយបាទនៅត្រួយបែបនេះបាទគឺយើងបរិភោគហើយមានជាតិត្រួយបែបនេះគឺមានជាតិខ្ញុំបរិភោគស្រាប់មើលបាទគឺមានរសជាតិចាត់បងប្អូនបាទគឺជាតិចាត់ហើយនេះគឺជាត្រួយដែលខ្ចីអញ្ចឹងត្រួយបែបនេះគឺឲ្យយើងបេះទៅធ្វើជាអន្លក់នឹងឯងបាទអញ្ចឹងអានេះគឺជាដើមដែលយើងអាចបរិភោគបានបងប្អូនបាទហើយការបរិភោគគឺយើងបេះនៅត្រួយបែបនេះឯងបាទគឺត្រួយបែបនេះគឺយើងអាចបេះបានបាទនេះហើយគឺជារាំងដែលយើងហៅថារាំងទឹកគឺជាដើមមួយប្រភេទដែលច្រើនតែដុះនៅតាមមាត់ទឹកបាទអញ្ចឹងហើយនេះគឺយើងហៅថារាំងទឹកបាទអញ្ចឹងដើមរាំងនេះក៏មានដើមរាំងមួយប្រភេទទៀតដែរដែលយើងហៅថារាំងសាបបាទនោះគឺជាដើមនៅលើគោកប៉ុន្តែជាដើមមួយប្រភេទដែលមានស្លឹកផ្សេងហើយមានផ្កាដូចជាពណ៌សបាទនោះហើយគឺជារាំងសាបបាទថ្ងៃណាបើសិនជាខ្ញុំឃើញខ្ញុំនឹងថតជាវីដេអូបាទជូនបងប្អូនទស្សនាផងដែរបាទហើយនេះហើយគឺបងប្អូនគឺជារាំងទឹកបាទគឺជារាំងទឹកបាទដើមរាំងដែលយើងធ្វើជាអន្លក់នោះឯងបាទអញ្ចឹងសូមអរគុណបងប្អូនហើយទន្ទឹមគ្នានេះដែរខ្ញុំឃើញនៅខាងនេះបាទបងប្អូនគឺមានដូចជាសម្បុកចាបមួយផងបាទអញ្ចឹងខ្ញុំចង់ដឹងថាតើមានកូនចាបឬក៏អាចពងចាបធម្មតាសម្បុកបែបនេះគឺជាច្រើនតែមានពងបាទហើយខ្ញុំចង់ដឹងថាតើមានពងអត់ខ្ញុំរកកន្លែងចុះសាក់មើលបាទតែយើងអាចចុះបាននៅខាងនេះបាទអញ្ចឹងខ្ញុំចង់ឆ្លងទៅខាងនោះសិនឬក៏អាចចុះពីដើរតាមខាងនេះហើយបានទេព្រោះទឹកនេះខ្ញុំបានឆ្លងនៅខាងម្ខាងទៀតមិនសូវជាជ្រៅដែរបាទអញ្ចឹងយើងអាចដើរបានអញ្ចឹងខ្ញុំចង់ដើរទៅមើលហើយនេះដូចជាសម្បុកពីងពីងបងប្អូនបាទគឺមានធ្វើកាត់ទៅតឹងមាត់ទឹកនេះតែម្ដងបាទគឺជាផ្លូវទឹកបាទនេះគឺជាផ្លូវទឹកនៅតាមប្រឡាយទឹកនៅតាមស្រែបាទលើក្បែរវាលស្រែអូនេះបងប្អូនបាទពេញពីងនេះបងប្អូនប្រប៉ិនណាណីបាទធំណាស់បាទហើយនេះគឺជាពេញពីងបាទនេះគឺសម្បុកពេញពីងបាទគឺធ្វើសម្បុកបែបនេះបាទ Hi everyone, here I'm at a rice field and I saw a bird nest and and then I want to check if there's any eggs in there. Just want to know. And then I walk in this waterway, which is they call prolai in my language. That is the water system for the rice field. So everyone here and here I want to show you also. អានេះហើយគេហៅថាឆ្លើងណាបងប្អូនអញ្ចឹងឆ្លើងនេះ this is a leech is something that when you walk and then when it sucks your meat and you have a blood coming out. So this is called a leech បងប្អូនបាទគឺជាឆ្លើងនេះបងប្អូនណាដែលអត់ស្គាល់ឆ្លើងបាទនេះហើយគឺជាសត្វឆ្លើងបាទខ្ញុំក៏ចង់បង្ហាញបងប្អូនដែរអំពីសត្វឆ្លើងតែខ្ញុំមិនចាំបាច់ឲ្យទៀមដើម្បីឲ្យចេញជាឲ្យបងប្អូនមើលទេបាទ so I just want to tell you that just now is a leech, and then when the leech suck your blood, suck your, for example, like you walk in the water like this, and if it sucks your leg, and then the blood will be coming out. So leech is something that sucks your blood. It's a kind of I think it's similar to worm, but it sucks the blood, yeah, from human. So here is the web and the spider, and it looks I never see a spider like this. Yeah, as you can see here, yeah, that is a spider. Yeah, it's colorful spider. So, and now I'm going to walk over there and see if I can find, yeah, yeah, the on the other side of the spider you can see a very colorful abdomen of the spider here. Yep, this one. Yeah, you can see in a golden color. Yeah, this is spider. Yeah, and there's a web, and there's something like I don't know what they call, but it is a kind of seal. Spider web is something is like a seal. So yeah, this one, look at that, and those ones, and there's some white spider web also over there. It looks like a letter. So yeah, this is the other side of the spider, because I walk from over there, from the other side. So yeah, look at that. And now I'm going to walk and to see and check, yeah, if there's any a bird in there. Just want to know and see. Hope I not disturb the bird itself. So another, yeah, we'll put the camera and see is there any because there's a hole too. So yeah, put the camera in and see if there's any egg in there. So maybe can touch it. This one. Yeah, I'll put the camera here to see if you can see. No, can't see. Try one more time. You can see I hold this a little bit slightly to see if I can see any. Look at that from here. Is any egg? Oh, over there. Yeah. Whoa. One more time. Yeah, I'm not touching the nest, so I'm trying to see through the hole, the bird, hole, so you can see from here. seems I saw some eggs there. Over there. Yeah. Try one more time. Let's see if anything. I'm not sure how people take the video of the bird nest, if they touch it or not. I'm not sure. But this one, I don't want to touch it because it might disturb the egg. Oh, over there. Wow. Oh, whoa. Wow, it seems like the eggs is hatching. Yeah. 4. Let's see one more time. So I'm taking the leaf of this one because I just took out the butt of the rang. Yeah, the rang tree here that we can eat. I ate a little bit and want to show you. That's called rang. That is an edible plant. Yeah, this one. Yeah, this is trui rang. Yeah, in Khmer language it's called trui rang. But here, everybody. So I leave this one here because I'm not eating it. So and it's a little bit chot. It's kind of like a little bit bitter, but not much. So I want to see if I can see the birds there. Yeah. Put the camera here through the hole. If there's anything we can see. So here, I'm not sure. And I'm trying to do it very lightly, so it's not disturbing the birds itself, the baby bird maybe. Yeah, one more time to see. No, can't see, so let's see if yeah. No, can't see. Just now I saw a little bit and yeah. So we can zoom out. Yeah, that's because of zoom, I think, maybe. Yeah, because of the zoom. So everyone here. Yeah. Oh no, it's not a baby egg. I'm not sure what kind of bird it is, but this one, yeah, looks like the color is light red, so I'm not sure. Yeah, let me zoom out again. It looks clearer. So because of the zoom, then I just did like before. So here it looks clearer. So yeah, we can see the egg now. 3 eggs. So it's kind of a light red, but I'm not sure what bird it is. Oh yeah, they are. So everyone, thank you for watching, and yeah, I'm taking the camera out of the bird nest. So thank you for watching, and we found this bird nest on this kind of a tree. I don't know what tree it is, but it's close to the rang Rang tree. This one is edible, and the bird nest is on this kind of tree. It's right here. Yeah, this one. So thank you everyone for watching, and I'm going to finish the video now. And thank you. See one more time. You can still see the egg, yeah, over there.